kids, today we are here with some new activity and I hope that it should be interesting. And as we can see here, what are these? These are known as shapes. These are various shapes whose name I would try my best to make you learn here at this platform at the very time, and that would remain forever in your mind. And let's get started with the topic. Okay, as here we can see that the question is asking to count and write the number of vertices and faces for each of the shapes. Now what shapes actually are? These are the shapes. These are the shapes. This is the shape. Okay, it can also be a shape. Okay, but there is no definite definition with which we can define which shape is it. Okay, on the other hand, here are some of the shapes we can name them easily, and these are the kind of shapes which we cannot name them, because what would you name kind of shape? As we know, it is a shape, but would you be able to name it? No. Okay, so as we know that this is not our topic to know about, so let's move further. Okay, so let's start it. Okay, so before starting, let me introduce to you what vertices actually are and what faces are. Vertices are the edges of any shape. Like we can see here that it is a shape given and the shape's name is A, B, C, D. It is the name of the shape. Okay, here in mathematics we do name the shape like this. The name of this shape is A, B, C, D. Okay. Now, vertices. How many vertices are there actually? So there are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are the vertices and its name is A. What is A? Its name is vertex B. Its name is vertex C and its name is vertex D. So we can write easily the vertices. Now let's write the name of the vertices. These are A, B, C and D. And how many vertices are there? There are 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, you can see here A, one vertex is here, B, another vertex is here, C, another is here and D, the last one is here. What are faces? What do we mean by faces? Faces are actually these. This is one face. This is another face. This is another face and this is another face. Now how many faces are here? Here are 4 faces. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And how would we name them? We have counted the faces that there are 4 faces, but how would we write them? How would we name them? So the first face name is AD. See? This is our first face. So you can take any face as first. Okay, I am taking this one as first. Doesn't matter actually. So what is the name of this face? Its name is DA or AD. You can write anyway. I am writing like this, AD. Okay, this is our first face. Now what would be the second face? The second face name is AB. It is very easy to write the name of the faces. Just see the edges. Okay, just see the edges. This edge is of A and this edge is of B. So the line would be named as AB. And that is the face actually. AB. The another face is BC or CB. You can write any way. I can write like this, CB. Your answer would be right, okay? And the last face is DC or CD. You can write any way. I am writing CD. It's D. Okay, so here we are. So there are four faces. AD, you can write DA. AB, you can write BA, BC or CB, and DC or CD. So there are four faces and there are four vertices. Would you please name the vertices? These are A, B, C and D. There are four vertices. One A, second B, third C and fourth D. And similarly there are four faces. And the names are, first one is AD or DA, second one is AB or BA, third one is CB or BC, or fourth one is DC or CD. Fine, now let's move to another so that your doubts would be clear completely. Okay, now let's move. Now how many vertices are there? We can see there are 1. We need vertices are those points, are those edges where two lines meet. Okay, here two lines are meeting, AB and AC are meeting at A. So A is a vertex. Another vertex is B because here AB and CB are meeting at B. So B is a vertex, and the third one is C because here AC and BC are meeting at C. So there are three vertices. How would you write the name of the vertex? First A, second B and third C. Now let's move to the next, that is face. How many faces are here? You can easily count 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 faces as well as 3 vertices. And would you please name the faces? Yes, we can easily. For sure, these are AB. We can write AB or we can write BA, whatever suits us. Okay. Second one is BC or CB. And the third one is AC or CA. I feel that this is far easiest thing in maths to learn about. Isn't it? Actually, maths is very interesting. When you feel it, it gives you far better outcomes, whatever you expect from it. So, now before going, as this is not related to the question, but I feel it as my responsibility. So, let me tell you the exact name of these shapes. See, it is a square. It is a square. It is a triangle. It is a hexagon. Hexagon, why? Because here are 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is octagon because here are 8 sides. When you will count, there would be 8 vertices as well as 8 faces. That's why it is octagon. Similarly, you can see that it is a hexagon. Why? Because there are 6 vertices and as well as 6 faces. Now, this is an octagon because here are 8 vertices as well as 8 faces and it's a circle. We all know this. Bye-bye.